Now, the government is set to offer little policy support to troubled retailer Nakumatt as creditors claim billions of shillings of unpaid taxes. According to Cabinet Secretary for Trade and Industry, Adan Mohammed, the government supports the retailer's proposal to appoint an administrator to oversee efforts to stabilize its operations. The move follows Nakumatt's creditors' rejection on the supermarket's bid to appoint a business and an administrator to run its business until it returns to profitability.
The discussion between Nakumatt and Tuskys is a private conversation that would be subjected to competition authority, and that process would take its natural course. If you want us to change the competition authority rules, it's part of the reforms we can do. So if you give us that feedback, but you are not saying that. The Insolvency Act that we have had in place before then was just like the Companies Act itself, which was protecting the big businesses and forgetting the small businesses. The Insolvency Act was more about helping creditors to recover their money